southeastern Wisconsin until 3:15 p.m. At 2:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near East Troy, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include East Troy, Potter Lake, and Troy Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorm watch number 114 has been allowed to